Hello everyone, I am Ashutosh Kumar Gupta. Welcome on our official YouTube channel St. Xavier's Online Classes. Today I am going to discuss Heron's formula. It is the chapter of 9th class and according to NCERT book this is the chapter 12. Okay. Before start I want to request you please subscribe and share our channel, like our video. Okay. Now Heron's formula. Heron, he is a mathematician, great mathematician, which had worked for applied mathematics. He gave a formula which is used for getting area of triangle. Till now, we have used one formula, area of triangle is equals to 1 by 2 into base into height. This is the formula we have used till today. What is the area of triangle? That is half base into height. If we given a triangle, suppose that this is a triangle, then and we know that we have given AD is the perpendicular on BC. AD is perpendicular on BC. Then BC becomes the base of this triangle and AD becomes the height of this triangle. Then we will write area of triangle ABC is equals to 1 by 2 into BC into AD. That is BC is base and AD is height. We know what is a height every time base is taken on which the perpendicular is given. Like if this is the triangle, same triangle ABC, and we are given the perpendicular CM, then our height will be CM and our base will be AB. The side on which the perpendicular is drawn is given, that side is taken as base. Okay, so this is the old formula which is till now we have used. Now what is new in Heron's formula? This formula is applied only when this is half base into height is applied only when we know height and the side on which this perpendicular is given. Okay, otherwise we cannot get. In case of if three sides are given, we cannot do anything. If this is a scalene triangle, if somehow we can manage to find the area of triangle, equilateral triangle by drawing perpendicular and then applying Pythagoras theorem. But what is the use of Heron's formula? We will see in today's video. Now Heron's formula is applied to every type of triangle, but where all the three sides are, the length of all the three sides are given. Like it is given area, let A, B, C are the three sides of a triangle. Then area of triangle according to Heron's formula is given by under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. This all things are in under root. What is this? Area of triangle is given under root S minus A, that is first side, S minus B, that is second side, and S minus C, that is third side. Multiplication is there, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now what is S? Here S is equals to A plus B plus C upon 2. That is S equals to A plus B plus C upon 2. Now A plus B plus C. What is A plus B plus C? A plus B plus C, if we see A, B and C, three are the sides of a triangle. A plus B plus C will be the perimeter of the triangle. So we can write perimeter of triangle upon 2. So S is semi perimeter. This is the Heron's formula. That is, if we have given a triangle of which A, B and C are the three sides, then the area of triangle is given under root S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C, where S is the semi-perimeter and which is given by A plus B plus C upon 2. Okay, now let's take an example. How will you use it? First, take the screenshot of this that help you in making notes of this chapter or writing the formula or memorizing the formula. Please take the screenshot. Okay. Now we will write the formula of area of triangle in side word. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Every time when you preparing or exercising practicing the questions, you should write the formula of related topic on the sideways or on the corner of your copy. With this you will find it helps in your memorizing power. It will obviously when you use it much and more times, then you will memorize this. Now let us take there is a triangle which has side A equals to 3, B equals to 4 and C equals to 5. Very basic question. Since this is this is following the Pythagoras theorem, so it is a triangle which is right angle. So if we take this 3 and 4, so then this becomes 5. 3 square 9, 4 square is 16, 16 and 9 25, 25 square root is 5. So it also follows the Pythagoras theorem. So it is a right angle triangle. You should not make the triangle. You should do according to that. Now if this is the case, then we can easily find area of triangle equals to 1 by 2 base into height, 1 by 2 into base into height. Base we can take 3 or 4 because these are mutual perpendicular to each other. So 1 by 2 into 3 into 4, that is 2 to 4, 3 to 6 square units. Now according to that formula, how can we go? So we have to find first S. S is what? We know that A plus B plus C upon 2. So A plus B, A 3 plus B plus C upon 2. 5, 4, 9, 9, 3, 12, 12 upon 2, that is 6 units. Now this is S. According to formula, area of triangle is equals to under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now 6 minus 3, 6 minus 4 and 6 minus 5. So this comes 6 into 3 into 2 into 1, and that becomes under root 6 into 6, and this is 6 square units. I think you got this. This is given A, B, C. These are the sides of the triangle. We know that this follows this is a Pythagorean triplet 3, 4, 5, which follows the Pythagoras theorem. So we know that there will be 3 and 4 are perpendicular to each other. We have find in this way, but we don't know about this. We don't get that 3, 4, 5 are any sides of right angle triangle. So we go by this formula. What is S equals to A plus B plus C upon 2, and that is 3 plus 4 plus 5 upon 2, that is 12 upon 2, that is 6 units. So we got S equals to 6 units. Now area of triangle, we put the values from different and we get 6 square unit. Now according to this, we can also I think I should delete this. Please take the screenshot of this. Okay. Now let us suppose that a question of different type, given that the sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 3:4:5, and the perimeter or semi-perimeter, that is S, is given 36. What is 36? Then find the sides of the triangle and hence find the area of triangle. Now we have to find first side of the triangle and then after area of the triangle. For area, we have to use Heron's formula, S under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. But we have not A, B, C. There is ratio. So let us suppose that let the sides are 3x, 4x and 5x. Now we know that S equals to A plus B plus C upon 2. That means 36 should be equals to 3x plus 4x plus 5x upon 2. That means 72 should be equals to 12x and x should be equals to 6. That means A equals to 3x and that is 18, B equals to 4x, that is 24, and C equals to 5x, that is 30. Okay. Now we will do what? Area of triangle, and that is formula is under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now what can we do? Under root S 36 into 36 minus 18, that is 18, into 36 minus 24, 12, and 36 minus 30, that is 6. Now we have to solve this. We can write 36. We can write 36 equals 6 into 6. We can write 18, 6 into 3. We can write 12, 3 into 4, and 6 is written as 6. Now 6 have pair, this 6 also paired with this 6, 3 is paired, and 4 is the 4 have square root 2. So we can write equals to under root 6 into 6 into 3 into 2. So 6 into 6 into 6, that is 216 square units. Okay. Take the screenshot. I think you got this. Okay. In next topic, some more questions we will discuss about Heron's formula. That's it from me. Thank you and have a nice day. I welcome your suggestions, your questions, your doubts in our comment section. Please, if you have any doubt, please comment on the video. Thank you with this and have a nice day.